Hi, Shorty. Hi, Shorty. Well, we came out earlier when it wasn't sprinkling or raining again, and he relieved himself. Let's see if he's willing to stay out here a little longer now that he has his camo on, his slicker. He has to maneuver the stairs a little bit better. Tony's made a fire. I can smell it outside. I think he'll be able to grow into this little slicker that we have for him. The other two were too small, and this one seems to fit him and not encumber him too much. Although we really don't want him where he's going right now. This is where we saw the snake. He was perched upon this wood block, barking at something that I hadn't a clue on. And sure enough, he saw the snake and I didn't. So, there you go. We found out that the snake was a water snake. Not poisonous, but no thanks to the snakes. Just say no to the snakes. What are you doing, Shorty? He likes it down here, and I'm not sure if he's on a snake hunt or what. But, hey! I see, he's eating twigs. Okay, Shorty. Hi there, Shorty. Hi, Bubba. Hi, Shorty. Maybe when he reaches puberty, his other ear will pop up. But right now, it's just one flop down and one pointed up. He does seem to be shivering less. So I guess the little camo outfit's working. Come on, Shorty. Come on, short stuff. Come on. Come on, Bubba. Oh, he's discovered digging. What you digging for, huh? What you digging for there, huh? What you got? What you got there, huh? What you got there, huh? What you got there? Oh, man. He's filthy. Oh. I wonder what he has there. Wow, he digs well. You might regret this. What you got there, Shorty? What's going on? What's going on? Nothing there. Not even worms. Oh yeah, there's some centipedes or whatever they're called. Wow. He's discovered digging. Lord help us. Come on. Let's go.